Anna, and in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to play the Battle Hymn of the Republic. Thank you to River for commissioning this one. It's beautiful and I'm really happy to have a chance to show you how to play it. We are going to start in an open G. It will go back and forth over the break, so this is an intermediate level song tutorial. Open G right here, so you have G, 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 and then you're going to put your thumb down right here in the back for the F, and then you have an E by dropping your index finger in the front, back to that open G, but keep your fingers curved and close because you're going to a C over the break. You have your thumb down, register, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, C. So let's just play that much right there. You're going to lift up your pinky for the C to take you to a D, and then you're going to lift up your third finger to take you to an E, 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 and then put that third finger down for the D, and then put your pinky down for the C. So it's a little scale up and down. I'm going to start there on the C. Now get that left hand pinky ready for a B natural, so put that B down, and then you have A. So you're going to want to play the A with the side of your finger because you're going to go back to that B very quickly. A, back to the B, and lift up your left hand pinky for the C. I'm going to start there. Let's start on that C landing that we had before. And then you're going to put your pinky down for the B and lift up your pinky for the C, and then roll to that A with the side of your finger, open G, back to the A, open G, then you're going to land on the E below the break, so you have your thumb and your index finger there for the E, and then open G. All right, so let's start on the C to play that section. Then you have that beginning measure again and half of that second measure again. So I'm going to go through all those fingerings once more. You have a little bit of a rhythmic change, G, 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 G. Then you have F in the back to the E, open G, over the break to the C, lift up your right hand pinky for the D natural, lift up your third finger for the E, 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 D, C. And it's going to change after this, so I'll stop there, starting on the open G. And then you have C, D, D, C, B, C. You have a little bit of a breather here before we go into the glory, 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 hallelujah. I can talk. Open G, F, E, G, C, over the break again, just like before. Lift up your pinky for the D, and then lift up your third finger for the E. And now you're going to go back to that C. Let's play that much. All right, and now we're going to go to an A natural. We're going to go over the break to that B natural. Lift up your left hand pinky for the C, and then back to the B, and back to the C, and then A, open G, E. Then you have open G, F with your thumb down in the back, to the E, open G again, over the break to the C, lift up your pinky for the D, lift up your third finger for the E, and then you have C, C, D, D, C, B, C, starting on the open G. So I just want to go over one thing before I play it all the way through for you. When I've been saying the C, B, C, you don't have to be flipping your fingers around. You can leave your right hand pinky down on the C and just lower and raise your B key as needed. And that makes this one a lot easier. When we're playing in the key of C, this works really nicely to be able to do that. All right, I'm going to play it straight through so you can hear it all together and see the fingerings at the same time. Here we go. So there you have it. Now, once you get to that refrain section, you can go back and play the verse again, and then you get to the refrain, and then you can go back and play the verse again, just as you would do in church or when you're singing it as a hymn. So thanks for watching. Comments, questions, post them below. If you would like to commission a song or a technique video, I have information in the About Me section of the Clarinet Project YouTube channel, or you can go to theclarinetproject.com to find out more about how you can do that too. Thanks, River. Bye.